Today, I'm going to introduce you to this concept of sandboxing. Suppose this whole white box right here is your Windows machine. It can be your desktop or laptop. Sometimes you want to do stuff on your machine that you know you shouldn't do, like go to a bad website or click on a link in an email. I get these emails from spammers, phishers all the time. And believe me, clicking on those links are very, very tempting, especially when it's telling me that I just won $1 billion, for instance. If I click on those links, then all sorts of bad things can happen. Malware, spyware, viruses, whatever. So the best solution is sandboxing. Basically, it lets me partition a portion of the Windows machine as something else. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Lubuntu, a variant of Ubuntu. Now, when we're in Lubuntu, we can do whatever we want. Go to bad websites, click on any emails that we want, click on any links, and nothing should happen to our Windows machine. Hopefully. I'm no security expert, but this method of sandboxing works very well as of today, as of this moment. Who knows what will happen in the future? To get started, we're going to go to this website and click on Windows Host. And then it'll start downloading the application that you'll need. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it, install it. Next up, we're going to download Lubuntu. Go ahead and go to this website and click on Download. Once you got VirtualBox installed, go ahead and open it and click on New. Name, give it whatever you want. The ISO image, go ahead and find that ISO file that you've downloaded earlier from Lubuntu and click on Next. The base memory, let's increase it to at least 8 GB. The processor, we can leave it at 1 CPU for now. Click on Next. Next again. Finish. Go ahead and click on Start to get Lubuntu up and running. Click on Try or Install Lubuntu. Go ahead and click on Install Lubuntu. American English, click on Next. Choose your time zone, click on Next. Choose your keyboard, click on Next. Normal installation, click on Next. We can go ahead and erase this and then click on Next. Enter your username and give it a password. Repeat the password and then click on Next. I'm going to log in automatically because I don't want to log in again and again. Click on Install and then click on Install Now. This whole thing takes at least 10 minutes, so go ahead and grab yourself some ice cream. Once it's done with the installation, go ahead and press Enter. And there we go. Now we have Lubuntu up and running. Go ahead and click on Firefox to give it a spin. I always go to fast.com to make sure that we get internet and how fast the internet is. Yep, pretty good so far. If you notice, the resolution is really lousy at 1080p. We can fix that later, no worries. If you want, let's click on View and then Scale Mode. That way you can pull and stretch as big as you want to make the screen somewhat more usable. Now let's temporarily turn off Lubuntu. Click on the X button, send the shutdown signal, and then click on OK. That's basically the same thing as if you're pressing the power button to power off the machine. We need to make some adjustments, so let's go to Settings. Go to Display. Let's give it some more video memory, up to 64 MB. That's good enough. And now let's click on Start to start the machine again. To change the resolution itself, go ahead and click on the menu. Go to Preferences, the Settings, and Monitor Setting. Go ahead and change the resolution to something even better, like 1920 by 1080. Perfect. Click on Apply. Click on Save, and then Yes, and then Close. Now it looks even sharper, right? Pretty good. Let's go to YouTube and see how it performs. We're going to go over to Trending, and here's Beetlejuice. You can see that it is extremely laggy. Let's turn off the machine, and then we can adjust the processor. So go ahead and shut down the machine one more time. Click on OK, and then click on Settings again. Go to System and change the processor from 1 processor all the way to, I don't know, maybe 6. Click on OK. If you want, you can give it more memory, but I think giving it more CPU is good enough. Let's open Firefox once more. Go to YouTube and play Beetlejuice one more time. Here we go again. And it is much, much better. Now feel free to go wherever you want on the internet, and your Windows machine should be fine. One of the really nice things about having a virtual box, a virtual operating system, is that you can always clone it. So if you want, go ahead and click on it, right click on it, and then choose clone. Give it a name and then click on next. Full clone? Yes. So whenever you're using the original Lubuntu setup and for some reason that gets corrupt, you can always spin up the Lubuntu clone. It's that easy. I'm going to choose the Lubuntu clone right now and click on start. We're going to click on Firefox. Let's go to fast.com and everything is working as it should. Amazing. Hopefully this video helps you with browsing the internet safely. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.